How's it going, everybody? Today we are in Pearl, Mississippi. Back El Dorado. We got a little bit of work, a little fun for you guys today. So, hooking up these peds, these buttons, and the heads, so we can see as we walk across the street safely. Good representation of how pedestrians can safely cross traffic in these areas that we got here today. Oh, no, Steven, don't use that. I don't like that. It sounds dumb. I wish you'd start giving me a script. So what I'm doing is I'm getting my cables prepped. We aim to have an accessible height for everybody to be able to work with, if you understand what I mean. So not everybody is up here, you know, at my height. Some people may be down here, especially in a wheelchair, or a young kid with a mom or something. They'll be able to come up here and access this button at a decent height. So I line my height up about where my button is. My button will be about here. And what I'll also do is verify that it kind of is straight with where I'm going. So I'll put it up there and I'll kind of line it up a little bit with it. And once I like it, I'll make a mark. And this is really easy because all we do now is we go ahead and we tap us a hole. I like my 1/4 tap right here. This is some awesome spider. It's mock blue goo. Awesome stuff. Get us a little bit of goop on there. Keep that on us, one on. You want to keep your drill straight, accurate. And you don't want to apply too much pressure. Oh, see that? When you come in with a tap, it's got a little bit of meat to kind of bite onto. Again, we're back to our straight. You got to keep it straight. Very easy to break these guys. Just like that. Just like that, baby. See that? Get that guy nice and level. Got our hole set there. Now we just loosen this guy up. Oh shit. Don't drop your screwdriver. All right, Steven, edit it to here. You loosen your screwdriver. You just tighten that guy back there for a minute. You know, she's out of the way. All right, same rules apply. Yeah, I felt that. All right. Oh, Mr. Tap Tap. So many people break these taps. Come on, y'all. Do you think you could do this just once without breaking my tap? I mean, they're not cheap. So I tell these guys, I just don't know. I don't know what they're doing. Now what I'm doing here, this is where our cables are gonna come in. This is just for our hole saw. Get our hole saw good. Make sure you have your safety glasses on. Just like that. Just like that. Now you want to take paper towel, but I do have this with me right here. Just kind of wipe that off. And you want to file it, you know. You want to get all those burrs, all those dings, anything that'll cut your cable. All right, once you're done with that, now you can actually take your little string right here, drop it in, and we're gonna use this to pull our cable into our ped button, you know. Voila. Alrighty. We tape that guy onto there, here, just like so. All right, here we go. All right, so Those screws I got ready earlier will be ready right here. We should be able to plug her in and it be flawless. Alright. I love it. I love it. She loves it. We all love it. Alright. Come over here. Install that screw. Didn't tell you about it, but this plate has two sides. There's a beveled end, like it's got a tapered end. That is where you insert these screws here. It will work on the other side, but let's do it the right way. Right here, you can see any air gap. It kind of might let moisture in. Definitely don't want that. I think that's good. Now you also want to make sure this arrow is pointing the right direction. Obviously, we're not going that way. So, all right. That was the easy stuff. Boom. I'm glad that I don't have to wait for all the crazy drivers to relax and let me walk across the road. I actually can press this button and get it done. So what we're doing here, we're gonna take this apart, separate these guys, put you back a little bit on your conductor. Real simple. That's perfect. Real easy, guys. We finish that up. Put our tools back right here. Feed these guys kind of back in there a little bit. Alphabetical order. You can do whatever you want, but I prefer to keep mine all in order. I think Steven kind of done his the same way, so I learned from him. I just like uniformity. That's all that matters. Just like that, guys. Now I'm gonna move on to the head. So same thing with the head. I usually mark before I get everything going. I already have it pre-marked, but we basically have the bottom of our pet head reaching 8 foot. So we want to line it up the best we can, but there is a little bit of play room. Go ahead and make a mark. Telling you, this spider stuff is awesome, y'all. Oh, yep. Definitely don't want to set that out. Take it out. All right, that's level. We come over here. Make us a hole and drill us an accurate hole there.
I don't wanna go too far away, yeah, I've got no direction. Yeah, I just wanna call you to feel safe, but I got no reception. I always wanna know what's wrong, but end up coming off too strong, and I just wanna help. Will you let me in? Will you let me in? Help me, help you.
Just like that. Oh boy, I felt the ladder move. What y'all think? Looks good. Drop our string. Get that guy brought down. You could add a weight to it, but I know it'll fall right in there. So that would be string. Alrighty. Same half hitch type deal. Good chili. Got sniffles. And this is doing it by yourself. You could have a guy help you, you get it to where you can't no more because it's probably right at the edge right here. Oh, look at that. Come right here, pull in a little bit. Oh, that's it. I know, I'll take these here, I'll take these here. Maybe pull a little bit. Then I will get me a good knot here. And there's a reason for it. Just keeps my cables from falling back down in there. Here, and we got some forks. Let's go ahead and fork it together. 3 points of contact when you're going up a ladder at all times, just so everybody knows. Like that, yep. All right, and that's that. Now, of course, there's also some prep work in the pedestrian head that we're fitting to mount that I've already got done, but just ahead of video and ahead of schedule. So we use gravity to hold this, and what you do is you come over here. This guy, real simple. I can't see black, I can't speak, Steven. It's freaking cold out there. All right, white in the center and green on the end. Almost done. And real easy, see? That wasn't no biggie. Come over here, and since we're done, we're just gonna gently shut this guy. This screw here, it's already threading in. My life's already simple. And it's done. She is done. And that's it, guys. A little bit longer than I wanted it to, but oh, she looks good. She looks good. All right, so I appreciate everything you guys have done for me while I clean up my mess and pick up any trash. Y'all leave some comments, man. Let me know what you think. If not, you can, you know, not talk about work. We could talk about like other fun things like Call of Duty and like Star Wars. I know y'all care about Star Wars. If anybody's interested, EE only bruh is my Xbox gamer tag. Link up, we'll play the game. Shit, we'll have fun. We will have fun.